Okay, Sprite beat you all. I'm out here in the snowstorm. The snowdrift is bigger. And there's more snow tornadoes. It's pelting me with the little tiny devilish ice crystals. Down here. I don't want to touch it though. Just look at that. The bush is buried. No. Tour the yard. Here's another view of the snowdrift. Here's another snowdrift. And yet another one. There's a snowball I tried to make. You can see the layers. That is kind of cool. That is really cool. I don't want to touch that. I don't want to ruin it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look how tall this is! Wow! Oh my god! Oh man! Oh, I'm having fun! Oh my god! I'm gonna walk out into it. Oh my god! Oh, this is deep! I've never... No! I fell! I fell! Oh man, I should get boots. Oh, look how deep this is. That is amazing. Alright, I'll keep going. Finally. Oh, amazing.